Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate your Figma slides with Lottie. Adding animation to your presentations can really make them pop, grabbing your audience's attention and conveying information more effectively. Lottie animations are fantastic because they're lightweight, high quality, and vector-based, which means they look great at any size without pixelating. We'll be using the LottieFiles plugin within Figma to bring these dynamic elements into your slide decks. This process is straightforward and will significantly enhance the visual appeal of your presentations. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Figma dashboard. From there, locate and click on the Slides option. This is typically found within your recent files or under a specific project where you manage your presentations. Selecting Slides will take you into the presentation-specific interface within Figma, setting the stage for creating or editing your animated presentation. Think of this as opening up your blank canvas for a new, engaging presentation. Once you're in the Figma Slides environment, your next step is to click on Create an Outline. This is a crucial starting point for any new presentation. Create an Outline provides you with a structured framework, making it easier to organize your content and design flow from the very beginning. It helps you lay out the backbone of your presentation before diving into the visual details, ensuring a coherent and well-organized narrative for your audience. Now that you have your outline ready, it's time to introduce some animation. To do this, simply right-click anywhere on your canvas within Figma. A contextual menu will appear, offering various options. From this menu, you'll need to hover over or click on Plugins. Plugins are powerful extensions that enhance Figma's functionality, allowing you to integrate third-party tools and features directly into your workflow. This is where we'll find our animation tool. After clicking Plugins, you'll see a list of installed or recently used plugins. Your goal here is to locate and click on LottieFiles. If you don't see it immediately, you might need to search for it, or browse the available plugins if you haven't used it before. The LottieFiles plugin provides direct access to a vast library of free and premium Lottie animations, making it incredibly easy to find and insert high-quality motion graphics into your slides. This plugin is your gateway to a world of captivating animations. With the LottieFiles plugin open, you'll be presented with a wide array of animations. You can browse through categories, search for specific themes, or explore trending designs. For this demonstration, simply choose an animation that catches your eye. Once you've found the perfect motion graphic, click on it. The plugin will then automatically insert this chosen Lottie animation directly onto your Figma slide, positioning it as a new layer. You can then resize, reposition, and customize its properties just like any other element in Figma, allowing you to perfectly integrate it into your presentation design. Experiment with different animations to see how they can best complement your content and message. And there you have it. You've successfully added a captivating Lottie animation to your Figma slide. By following these steps, you can transform static presentations into dynamic, engaging experiences that truly resonate with your audience.